All right, Falcon family. First off, I want to say congratulations. We made it through our first day of virtual learning. So exciting. I'm so proud of you. I know that it was so amazing to see my students. I'm sure you felt the same way. So, the biggest piece of feedback that I've gotten so far from today is that it's difficult to take attendance from a Google form. So, I'm going to show you two easy ways to take attendance from a Google form in Classroom. So, first, if you're looking at my Google Classroom and you go to classwork and you see this assignment attendance. So if I view that assignment, and if you scroll up to the top, you'll see that this is sorted by status. So on the left, all of these people have all turned it in. And then if you scroll down, these are all the people that have not turned it in, and it's just assigned and still waiting for them. So that's a really easy way, period by period. You can just open SIS and mark those two students as absent. Remember, because this is day one, if you haven't seen them yet, they're a no-show. So make sure that you mark that correctly. So that's easy way number one. The other easy way is if you're looking at the form itself and you take a look at the responses, the easiest way to see all of your responses is to open a spreadsheet. So that's going to be that little green icon, and you're just going to click on it, and it'll ask you if you want to use an existing form or make a new one. I've already made this one, so it's just going to open that up for me and populate it. You can see that I've kind of just made things so I can read all of their answers, but one of the best add-ons that I know of that I actually use is called rowcall. So you can see right here on add-ons, it says rowcall. And if you don't have that, which I'm sure a lot of you guys don't, you can just go to get add-ons and then you can search rowcalls. Again, that's how you spell it. And it's really easy. It just goes right into your sheets. So again, this is a sheets add-on. And what it does is it's going to divide your data based on a certain column. So I'm going to do it by period. So again, it does have to be a question that you ask in your form. So if I go back and I show you that daily check-in and take a look at that question, you'll see that my third question is always period. What period are you in? I give them which periods I actually have, because believe it or not, I have had students that, just aren't paying attention to what they're doing and they click the wrong period, but that's okay, right? Mistakes happen. So instead of having it be a fill-in, I give them the choices. They choose their response. So that way I can do this with this add-on. So I'm just going to show you what that actually looks like when you do get that add-on. If you choose to get it, you're just going to hit start, and then it's going to pop up right over here and give you some options. I'll move the video so you can see it. Okay, so it's asking what column do I want to use. It already has the header, so it knows period. It knows that that's what I want it to do, right? And I'm just going to say sort. And you're going to watch as it goes through my data, and then it's going to make these little pages down here, so that way all of my data is sorted. Once that is done running, what you can do is then put your name column in alphabetical order and easily see which names you have compared to your SIS list. So I hope that was quick, easy, helpful. I hope that you find forms useful. It is one of my favorite ways to assess and poll my students. I hope you guys had a fantastic day, and I hope you guys are ready for day two, right? Have a great day, guys.